very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Steering Life on Fundamentals. Ladies and gentlemen, human existence itself reflects an extraordinary design. From the precision of a heartbeat to the silent intelligence governing breath, balance, and awareness, life reveals a masterful creation at work. Nothing essential is random. Everything necessary is embedded, coordinated, and sustained through an unseen order that binds energy, time, space, and intelligence into a living continuum. Each human life, therefore, is precious, not merely because it exists, but because it arrives with a promise of purpose. Life is designed to receive energy, generate energy, and share energy, participating in a larger cosmic exchange. This continuous flow is not symbolic, it is functional. It is how existence sustains itself, evolves itself, and renews itself through every living form. Humans are a refined reflection of this cosmic system and order. What operates at a universal scale is mirrored within the human system. The same intelligence that governs galaxies governs cells. The same laws that sustain cosmic harmony sustain biological coherence. Human life is not separate from the cosmos. It is a conscious expression of it. This design is encoded deeply and precisely within each cell, and each neuron resides a program of unparalleled potential for self-realization, for contribution to others, and for giving back to the very system that gave life its form and meaning. The human system is not limited by design. It is empowered by design. Among all gifts bestowed upon human life, the brain stands as a special instrument. It possesses the capacity to receive energy, process intelligence, generate intent, and share influence. Through awareness, coherence, consciousness, attunement, alignment, and communion, this instrument becomes extraordinary. When refined, it can draw upon the intelligence of existence itself, supporting not only personal growth and well-being, but positively influencing the surrounding environment through thoughts, actions, and attitudes shaped by wisdom, compassion, and courage. Such power, however, requires careful steering. Ancient wisdom recognized this truth with clarity. It understood that life flourishes not through impulse but through discipline, not through reaction but through right understanding. Therefore, it advocated a way of living aligned with what sustains harmony within the individual and within the larger order. Modern science, through neuroscience, psychology, biology, and physics, has validated much of this ancient understanding. It confirms that alignment enhances performance, coherence improves well-being, and conscious regulation of thought and emotion directly shapes outcomes. While the language has evolved, the fundamentals remain unchanged. Modern life presents challenges that are faster, louder, and more complex. Yet, complexity does not alter fundamentals. Purpose still demands alignment. Growth still requires clarity. Well-being still arises from coherence between thought, action, and intent. The steering mechanism remains the same. At the heart of effective steering lies alignment of mindset. Alignment emerges from awareness and clarity. What ancient wisdom described as consciousness. It is the inner sun, a steady source of illumination that guides decisions, regulates responses, and keeps life oriented toward what truly matters. When this inner light remains in communion with cosmic intelligence, life moves forward with greater ease, stability, and meaning. What's the way forward? Three key areas require constant attention in the conscious steering of life. These are not obstacles, but sensitivities that shape direction. Life must be guided away from three subtle yet powerful disruptors: distraction, deviation, and destruction. Avoiding distraction preserves focus. When attention remains anchored in self-development and self-advancement, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and aspirationally, energy is conserved and directed toward growth rather than dispersion. Avoiding deviation preserves integrity. Mastery of the senses, commitment to values and adherence to what is right ensures that progress remains aligned with purpose. Direction matters as much as movement. Avoiding destruction preserves harmony. Compassion, empathy, and conscious restraint prevent negativity from taking root in thoughts, in actions, and in intentions. What is nurtured within eventually shapes what manifests externally. When the inner compass remains aligned with cosmic intelligence, effort becomes purposeful, challenges become refining forces, and progress unfolds in harmony with the larger order of existence. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, ancient wisdom distilled this entire science of living into timeless clarity. In the revealed Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna offers a simple yet profound reminder that captures the essence of steering life on its fundamentals. Let a person uplift oneself by one's own self. Let one not degrade oneself. The self alone is the friend of the self, and the self alone is the enemy of the self. In this remembrance lies the complete guidance. The same intelligence that created life has entrusted human awareness with the responsibility to steer it. When alignment is honored, life moves from effort to elegance, from struggle to meaning, and from survival to contribution, fulfilling its purpose within the grand design of existence. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.